The purpose of making this video about Brahmandpadi Shri Saptashakti Mahagranth reading is just for information. With this, we are not insulting any human, animal, birds, caste, religion, or sect. All the information given in this video is really told by Shri Maskoba Nath Maharaj Ji. So this video is only made for devotees of Nath Maharaj Ji. Then there is no need to clarify any concept to anybody. Thank you.
Please subscribe your favorite channel, Hindu Dharma Brahmandapadi Shri. Like and share our videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon button to receive notifications of our latest videos.
ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्रीनाथ मस्तोबानाथ प्रसन्न ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर महाराज उर्फ राजा भावनाथ प्रसन्न। ओम नमः शिवाय। जय देव जय काल भैरव, जय देव जय काल भैरव। भद्र केदारनाथाला उत्पन्न झाले, काळ भैरवनाथ नामे प्रसिद्ध झाले। जय देव जय काळ भैरव, जय देव जय काळ भैरव।
ॐ भूर्भुर्गव आदिशक्ति ब्रह्माण्डच्च दिव्यशक्ति प्राप्त्यर्थच्च परमेश्वराय नमेन गायत्रीयं कालभैरव दिव्यशक्ति नमो शिवाय।
ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री सप्तशक्ती महाग्रंथ, ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री सप्तशक्ती महापंथ। सत्य हाच धर्म, जसा खवळलेला समुद्र, जसा पूर्ण आकाश, जसा सूर्य, तसा मी।
In the last episode number 10, we saw
every day for 14 days throughout the day, not only at night but also during the day, with the Swayambhu weapon in one hand for the peace of Sri Brahmanda Shakti, Sri Vijatava Shakti, Sri Divyatva Shakti, Sri Mayavi Shakti and Sri Parmeshwari Shakti in the Brahmand, as well as the 9-time demons. This weapon should be used throughout the day for maintenance. And these weapons will continue to do their work by traveling in the atmosphere of the Brahmand every day for 14 days.
episode number 11. The Shankh of Sri Tejasvi Brahmanda Shakti is gardening the entire day on the day of new moon. On the second day of the new moon, the Kamandalu is gardening all the day long. On the third day of the new moon, the Gada protects throughout the day. On the fourth day of the new moon, Trishuls is protecting throughout the day. On the fifth day, the new moon, Sudarshan Chakra is gardening throughout the day. On the sixth day of the new moon, the bow of arrow protects the whole day. On the seventh day of the new moon, the sword protects the whole day. The eighth day of the new moon, the spear is gardening all the day long. On the ninth day of the new moon, the snake is gardening all day long. On the 10th day of the new moon, the plow is gardening all the day long. On the 11th day of the new moon, the sota is gardening all the day long. On the 12th day of the new moon, the dagger is gardening all the day long. On the 13th day of the new moon, the Vagnake is gardening all the day long. On the 14th day of the new moon, Musal is gardening throughout the day. While standing the female human form of Sri Tejasvi Brahman Shakti in front of the Sri Brahmand Adrishya Shakti, a flame was created from the palm of the right hand of Sri Brahmand Adrishya Shakti, and from that light, weapons like Parshu, Chimta, Dorkhanda, Bichwa, armor, shield have been made, and those weapons have been given by Sri Brahmand Adrishya Shakti to Sri Tejasvi Brahmanda Shakti. Then a flame was created from the palm of the left hand of Sri Brahmanda Adrishya Shakti. That flame is the power of the moon, that is the brightness of the moon. That Tej has taken the form of the rabbit, as we can see. This is the rabbit with only big legs. The rabbit Sri Brahmanda Adrishya Shakti has given to Sri Tejasvi Brahman Shakti as his vehicle. Sri Brahmanda Adrishya Shakti commanded Sri Tejasvi Brahmanda Shakti in front of all the original Shakti present at that place, just as you have all the moon, sun, earth, planets of the Navgrahas, all the gods and the goddesses, the Mool 5 Shaktis, the 19 demons, all the Panchamahabhutas, all the power gods in the Brahmand for the peace and the protection of them on the 6 o'clock in the morning. The new day starts from the hour and the whole day ends at 6 o'clock in the evening. The night begins at 6 o'clock in the evening and ends at 6 o'clock in the morning. That is, the whole day is completed from 6 o'clock in the morning to 6 o'clock in the evening. And the whole night is completed from 6 o'clock in the evening to the 6 o'clock in the morning. One of your weapons will work all day, every day, from 6 o'clock in the morning to the 6 o'clock in the evening. In the same way, any human being, male or female, in the entire Brahman will do their daily deeds with a pure mind, keeping their morals clean, and Sri Parmeshwari Shakti will behave according to their rules, that is Dharma. Every day, on the daily basis, yours is the name of Sri Tejasvi Brahman Shakti. Om Sri Brahmandapadi Sadguru Sri Shivashambhu Rameshwaram Sri Tejasvi Brahmanda Shakti Maharaj Devaya Namaha. He will chant this mantra 108 times, and throughout the day he will recite this mantra with a calm and holy mind. On the full moon and the new moon day of every month, he will keep the whole day pure, and with a clean mind he will fast all day long by chanting the name of Sri Tejasvi Brahmanda Shakti, that is this mantra. And in the evening, when you break the fast at 6 o'clock at night, he will break the fast by showing you an offering and sacrificing a coconut. That's what the human beings, male or female, in the Brahman is going to do. As I said, just as you are taking care of and protecting that human being in the Brahman, so you should take care of every human being, male or female, in the Brahman with the weapon in one hand every day for the peace, protection and welfare of that human being. This is what Sri Tejasvi Brahman Shakti said after Sri Brahmanda Adrishya Shakti commanded Sri Tejasvi Brahman Shakti, any human being, male or female, we behave like a dharma with full faith and trust in Sri Parameshwari Shakti and me. I will take care of that human beings, male or female, and I will not let that human being lack anything, Sri Tejasvi Brahman Shakti said. Then the Sri Brahmanda Drushya Shakti stopped right there. Sri Tejasvi Brahmanda Shakti summoned the female form of Sri Aditya Shakti in front of us, and Sri Tejasvi Brahman Shakti should take the form of Sri Aditya Shakti, stopping near the sun in the form of a planet and working to create night and day. After saying this, Sri Aditya Shakti took the form of Jyoti, and with that Jyoti took the form of the entire female human body. Sri Aditya Shakti has assured the form of a female human body, and her body color is black shadow, and their body height is a lot bigger. Thank you. In the next episode number 12, we will see Sri Aditya Shakti. His face is very calm and his face is round in shape. They have two eyes like us, but both eyes are big and round. Both his eyes are very angry, reddish, but his face is calm. They have a round shaped third eye above the nose in the middle of both eyes. They have eyelids and eyebrows like us on both their eyes.
ॐ श्रीनाथ मस्कोबानाथ श्रीराजा भावनाथ प्रत्यक्ष येऊनी अवतारात श्रीराजा भावनाथांचे गुरु श्रीनाथ मस्कोबानाथ दिव्यत्व एक शक्तीश्वर श्रीराजा भावनाथ श्रीनाथ मस्कोबानाथ तिन्ही एक संकट व विचार करुनी 33 कोटी देवतांचा गुरु श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भावनाथांचा प्रत्यक्ष अरण्येश्वर दरबार भावभक्ती व येणारे त्यांचा गुरु व श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भावनाथ 1000 पदव्या घेऊन पदवीत नाव श्री राजा भावनाथ शिव शंभो श्री राजा रामेश्वर पृथ्वी संकट आत्मलिंग गुरु पौर्णिमा दिवशी आत्मलिंग बोलावलेली त्यांचा गुरु श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भावनाथेश्वर 12 ज्योतिर्लिंगेश्वर 12 ज्योतिर्लिंग शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर नवनाथ प्रकाश ह्या काळात घडलेला नवनाथांमधला श्री राजा भावनाथ ओम नमः शिवाय श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भावनाथ श्रीनाथ मस्कोबानाथ आई जोगेश्वरी कान्हुबाईश्वरी
subscribe your favorite channel, Hindu Dharma Brahmandapadi Shri. Like and share our videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon button to receive notifications of our latest videos.
प्रेम मस्को बना था जय जय श्री राजा